When it comes to successful job search, understanding your skills and strengths is, of course, important. And employers don't just look for experience. They want to know what you bring, of course, to the table and how you will add value to their company. So identifying your strengths can definitely help you build confidence, tailor your applications, and communicate your value effectively during interviews. Now, there are two main types of skills that employers look for: hard skills, we might also call them technical skills, and soft skills. Now, the hard skills are job specific abilities that can be measured, like technical experience or computer proficiency or language fluency, for example. Now, these are usually learned through education, through training, through work experience. And soft skills, on the other hand, are usually considered personal qualities that impact how you work and how you interact with others in the work environment. So these could include communication skills and leadership skills and adaptability skills and problem-solving skills, just to name a few. So while hard skills or technical skills prove you can do the job, soft skills show how well you can work with a team, how well you can handle challenges, and how you can contribute to a positive work environment. Now, in addition to these skills, identifying your personal strengths is just as important. Your strengths might include traits like resilience, creativity, time management, or a strong work ethic, for example. These qualities set you apart from other candidates and help you navigate challenges in the workplace. So to make your job search more effective, take time to assess your strengths and your skills. You may want to think about past experiences, whether in previous jobs or volunteer work or personal projects, and identify specific moments where you excelled. What tasks come naturally to you? Consider, what do others compliment you on? And understanding your unique abilities will not only help you craft a stronger resume and, of course, a great cover letter, but also give you more confidence during these interviews that you will be getting. So by knowing your strengths and communicating them effectively, you position yourself as a valuable candidate. And that's what you have to do. So whether it's highlighting key skills in your resume or showcasing them in your cover letter or providing real life examples in an interview, demonstrating your abilities with confidence can and will make a significant impact on your job search success.